Hi guys, well, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about some new makeup, of course. The new makeup we're going to be talking about today is GLAMLITE's Red Velvet Cupcake Palette. I finally got this. I've been waiting for a little while to get her, but I finally got her in the mail. Before I jump all the way into this cutie, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And as well, don't forget to leave a comment below. And as well, don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. Let's get right on into her because I just can't wait to talk about it. All right. So with this cupcake, red velvet cupcake palette, I think GLAMLITE, I'm always going to talk about the packaging because that is what she does. Packaging always hits with GLAMLITE. Look at this palette. So the full box carton that it comes in, it looks like a red velvet cupcake inside of an oven cooking. It's so cute. And then on the back, it does say cupcake. It does have all the shades in there. From the original creators of the world's most delicious cake palette, GLAMLITE is here to sweeten up your look once again with a delicious red velvet inspired cupcake palette. Indulge in an array of rich reds and deep pigmented shades to create a variety of extravagant looks. Open up your glam oven and let the experiment begin. I love that. This is very cute. This palette does have 12 shades in there. So let's open this up, shall we? So when you open her, you literally have the cupcake right inside the cute little palette. Let's take her out again. So on the palette, it is actually quite simple. It does have the red velvet cupcake. It has the little sprinkles at the top. I think the sprinkles do move. Yeah, the sprinkles move. It's so cute. And guys, on the back, this is so freaking cute. Nutrients facts. This looks like literally like you're buying a cupcake, like you're buying food. I love that GLAMLITE does that all the time. I love it. And then when you open her, she does give you a cute little mirror. We like that. Yeah, I like mirrors. Then you do have all of these gorgeous shades. This palette gives you a full 12 shades. Yes. So that's all I want to talk about with the packaging, y'all. It's just so freaking adorable. It's like, of course I have to talk about it. I have to. It's just so cute. GLAMLITE does it every time. She did it again. She does it every time, I swear. GLAMLITE really comes out with stuff that's just so amazing. And I mean, food, especially desserts, you can't help it. Usually most likely with any food inspired stuff, you kind of can go forever and ever with packaging because food comes all different packaging, all different wrappings, all different settings. So I love that. I know GLAMLITE's always going to give me these cute little things on there, and it's going to give me the full aesthetic of food. I know GLAMLITE and Beauty Bakery is always going to give me that. So that's just that. But yeah, guys, if you guys want to get this, but yeah, very cute packaging. GLAMLITE does it every time with a cute packaging. Guys, if you want to get this cute little red velvet cupcake inspired look, stay tuned. right, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I loved it. I loved it. So let's jump back into this cute little palette. Inside the palette, it does give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shimmers. You guys already seen from the tutorial, I did use my finger with the shimmers. I used a brush with the shimmers and it was okay, especially like the inner corner. You guys seen I had to use my brush. It was pretty. I did use the shade Cream Cheese, that really light one. That was the only one I did use the flat brush on to get right onto the inner part of my eye. But every other shimmer you guys seen I used on my fingers. That's what I realized with GLAMLITE. Some of her shimmers are better with just your fingers, but I could do brush or either with most of them. I really can build them up. I didn't have to build up the shimmers as much when I just used my finger, and I had to learn that from, you know, trial and error. So with the shimmers, I advise people use your fingers, and the mattes perform beautifully. This palette off the bat, you know, GLAMLITE, her pigmentation, her formula is always really good. It doesn't matter how many shades she gives you, how small the palette is, or how big it is, it's gonna be elite. My favorite colors in this palette is going to be Dazzling. I love Red Velvet actually, but Dazzling and Decadent. These two shimmers that I put on, gorgeous. The shimmers in this palette complements the matte so freaking well, y'all. This is a very beautiful crimson berry look. Like this gives you, it's like hot pink, crimson, and berry. It's just a very pretty palette. At first I was thinking like, okay, I've had red, we've had red from her, we've had red from other people, but this one has a hot pink with a berry mixture with Red Velvet. It's very cute. I said, okay, GLAMLITE, I like that. They kind of gave me 3 different vibes when I thought I was just getting one. So that's not bad at all. I like that. I was like, that was a nice little surprise. And I realized her palettes do that to me sometimes. I get them and I'm like, I know they're gonna be good quality. I know they're pigmented. But then I'm thinking sometimes like, but is it a color I already have so thousand of them? But every single palette I have from her, doesn't matter if they give me 13 greens, I'm still like, well, this green's a little different. One shade in this palette I did not like. It was the super moist one, super moist. So that purple one, I did not like that. I did use her on my eye to literally make it a little deeper for the red, because I did use the more neutral colors at the top, and then I did bring the red right in there, and then I wanted that purple to just deepen it right in that corner. It took a lot of building. Even though her stuff is very pigmented, that one just took a lot more building than usual. And I just said, Overall, every other shade I didn't have to do that with, but just that darkest purple one. And I said, well, why? You know, that vibrant purple, but it's still, it was very matte. It didn't want to budge. It didn't want to blend too much, and it's not patchy, but it wanted you to build it up. So I was like, oh, okay. I usually don't have to build up GLAMLITE's shadows like that, but this time around, I said this one, it took a lot more building. But everything else in the palette, it's great. So Confession and Cupcake Heaven I didn't use. So out of the rest of the palette, I did use and dabbled with all the other shimmers as well. This is a really cute palette. I was a little more shocked because the hot pink thrown in there with the berry and the red velvet kind of vibe, that threw me off a little bit. I was like, okay, that's cute. Once you got one good red, you pretty much got them all. But this one with the hot pink and berry mixture, and it's like cranberry goodness. Guys, it's really pretty. It's the mixture of all three. It's a vibe. It's really nice. So overall, with this cute little palette, if you guys love a berry, hot pink, and red velvet kind of vibe, I would say get this. If you already have a red palette or a berry palette or like a hot pink palette, if you're like, I got what I got, I'm fine, then you don't need this. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's not expensive. It's inexpensive in my opinion. It's a good enough size, like a small, medium size, not too many crazy colors. Pretty much almost even amount of mattes and shimmers. So if you guys want a triple combo of hot pink, berries, and red velvet, I would pick her up because she is cute, very cute. I like GLAMLITE. GLAMLITE always hits. Her stuff never misses. Pigments on 100,000. Her, Juvia, Beauty Bakery, I know these brands now, just like, it's going to be elite. Just, are you into that vibe of that eliteness? You know what I mean? And guys, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Guys, let me know in the comments below, are you feeling this hot pink, red velvet berry vibe? Let me know in the comments below. And guys, don't forget to hit that notification button before you go. You guys already know what I'm about to say. I will catch y'all on the next one. Bye.